Forms are one of the most important parts of your entire lead generation system, because if your form doesn't convert, you don't get leads. And if you don't get leads, nothing else in your business matters. In this video, I'll show you how to create high converting forms inside ClosingDealz, how to properly qualify leads, and how to customize your forms so they actually fit your brand and sales process. First, go to Forms and create a new form. Once the form opens, you'll see several tabs at the top: widget settings, fields, submit options, engagement, security, and preview. We'll go through each one step by step, starting with widget settings. This is where you customize the overall appearance and design of your form. You can choose between light, dark, or custom themes, customize fonts and colors, adjust container styles, edit button styles, and even add custom CSS for advanced customization. This gives you full control over how the form looks on your website. If you want the form to perfectly match your brand, the Custom Advanced option allows developers to completely customize the design using CSS classes. You can also choose whether the form uses a transparent layout or a card-style container. For most businesses, cleaner and simpler forms usually convert better. Next, let's go to Fields. This is where you collect information from your leads. Most forms should at least collect name, email, and phone number. But this is also where you can qualify leads before they ever speak to your team. For example, you can ask monthly revenue, business, type team size, budget goals, or anything else important to your sales process. Inside ClosingDealz, there are two different types of fields. Lead fields are stored directly on the lead record inside your CRM. Question fields are stored only inside the form submission. This is useful because not every question needs to permanently live on the contact record. You can also choose different answer types like drop-downs, radio buttons, checkboxes, long text, phone inputs, and more. Now, one important thing to understand: high converting forms are usually shorter. Every extra field creates more friction, so only ask questions that actually help you qualify or close leads. Next, let's go to Submit options. This controls what happens after someone submits the form. You can show a success message, redirect users to another page, or deliver a lead magnet. For example, after someone submits the form, you might redirect them to a thank you page, a VSL onboarding instructions, or another step in your funnel. Next is engagement. This allows you to turn your form into a pop-up. You can trigger the pop-up immediately on scroll or when a specific section enters the screen. This is extremely useful for improving conversion rates on landing pages without needing third-party pop-up software. Then we have security. Here, you can restrict which domains are allowed to embed the form and enable spam protection to block bots and fake submissions. This helps keep your CRM clean and prevents junk leads from entering your pipeline. Finally, inside Preview, you can test the form before publishing it live. Once everything looks good, turn the form live and embed it directly onto your website. And that's it. A properly built form does more than just collect information. It helps qualify leads, segment prospects, improve conversion rates, and create a smoother sales process for your business. And if you want leads to instantly schedule calls after submitting, ClosingDealz also supports booking forms with built-in scheduling and calendar integrations, which we'll cover in another video.